Hi, good morning to all of you. Today we will going to discuss about Python collections or arrays. In Python, actually, there are four type of collections. They are called list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So we are going to discuss about each type of collection one by one. So coming to the list, so list is a collection which is ordered. So this is in a particular order, and you can change the elements in a list. So that's why it's called the changeable. And it also allows duplicate elements or duplicate members. So what I mean to say is, in a list, all the elements are in a particular order. And if you want to change the elements or the members of a list, you can change. So that list is called the changeable. And also your members or elements in a list may be duplicate values. That means list will accept duplicate members, duplicate elements. This is about the list collection. And the second one is a tuple. Second one is a tuple. So tuple is a collection which is ordered. That means all the elements, all the members in a tuple are in a particular order, same as the list collection. But the difference is, in case of list, the elements or the members of a list are changeable. You can change, you can update the elements. But whereas in case of the tuple, it is unchangeable. It is also called as immutable. That means you can't change the elements or members of a tuple. That's why tuple is a unchangeable, immutable. Whereas list is a changeable or a mutable collection. Like a list in tuple also, you can keep the duplicate elements. That means elements in a tuple collection may have a duplicate values. So it will accept the duplicate values also. So like a list, tuple also accepts duplicate values. Duplicate values. So this is about the tuple. And third one is a set. Set is a one type of Python collection. So, but the difference is, in case of set, the elements are unordered, not in a particular order. It's an unordered collection. Set is a unordered collection. Similar as tuple, in a set, the elements are unchangeable, immutable. That means you can't change the elements. You can't update the elements in a set. So it's the unchangeable. And in a set, the elements are unindexed. So we will discuss in detail about the set, list, tuple, and dictionary. So in case of set, the elements are unindexed. So generally, if you want to access a particular elements in any collection, so generally we will access those elements based on the index. But in case of set, you can't access the elements based on index. That's what it's called as a unindexed. And one more difference is, in case of set, duplicate values are not accepted. It will not accept the duplicate values. In case, if you initialize a set with the duplicate values, but it will take only one value, not all duplicates. It will take only one value. For example, if you create a set with elements 2, comma 2, comma 3, then it will take only 2, comma 3. The duplicate values will not consider. The first element will be considered. Remaining duplicate values, if it is there, it will be ignored. So this is about the set. And the last one is called as a dictionary. So dictionary also one of the Python collection. So same as tuple, same as the list, dictionary also ordered. That means all the elements in a dictionary are in a particular order. Same as list in a dictionary, same as list. In dictionary, the elements are changeable and immutable. That means you can change the values, you can update the values of the elements in a dictionary, same as list. And same as your list and same as your tuple. In dictionary, you can't use the duplicate values. In case of a list and in case of a tuple, so you can use the duplicate values. But same as list and the same as the tuple, in dictionary you can't use the duplicate members. That means the elements in a dictionary, it will not accept duplicate values. So don't use the duplicate values when you are initializing the dictionary type of Python collection. Dictionary type of Python collection. So this is about the some view or overview of a uh, different type of Python collections. So once again, I will repeat about the Python collections. So mainly there are four type of Python collections. One is called as a list. Second one is called as a tuple. Third one called as a set. Fourth one called as a dictionary. So in case of a list, all the elements are in a particular order, so that list is called as a ordered collection. Ordered collection. In a list, the elements are changeable. In a list, elements are changeable. That means whatever the elements are available in a list, you can change those values. So that's why list is called as a changeable collection. List is called as a mutable collection. Changeable collection or mutable collection. I think it's clear, right? And list accepts or allows the duplicate values. In a list, the elements may be a duplicate values. It will accept. List type of Python collection will accept the duplicate values. You can keep the duplicate values also as a members, as a elements of a list. And coming to the second one, it is a tuple. So tuple is also same as a list, but the difference is in case of a tuple, you can't change the values of the elements in a tuple. In case of list, we can change the elements of a list. But in case of the tuple, you can't change the elements of a tuple. That is only the difference from the list and the tuple. So same as your list, your tuple also ordered. Same as your list, in tuple also allows the duplicate values. Remaining all are same. Only difference is the you can't change the elements in a tuple. Okay. And third part is called as a set. Third one is called as a set. So set is a collection of unordered elements. That means the elements in a set are unordered. So it's called as an unordered collection. And same as tuple, you can't change the elements in a set. You can't change the elements in a set. And in set, duplicate values are not allowed. In set, duplicate values are not allowed. In case of list, duplicate values are allowed. In case of tuple, duplicate values are allowed. But in case of set, duplicate values are not allowed. Even if you initialize a set with the duplicate values, then it will take only one value out of all the duplicates. It will consider only one value out of all duplicates because it will not allow duplicate values. Hope you understand. The fourth one is called as a dictionary. Fourth one is called as a dictionary. So dictionary is a collection which is ordered. So all the elements in a dictionary are in a particular order, same as your list, same as your tuple. Same as the list, in dictionary, you can change the elements, you can update the values. Okay. And same as set, same as set, dictionary will not allow the duplicate members. Will not allow the duplicate members. So this is the some overview about the different type of Python collections. Now we will discuss one by one how we initialize the set, how we initialize the list, how we initialize the tuple, how we initialize the dictionary, and what are the different functions or the methods that can be applicable on these Python collections. We will discuss. So first coming to the set. So how we initialize the set. Okay. So you can see here. So how I'm writing or initializing a set in Python. So first you can see fruits, Fruits, that is called as the name of the set. That fruits equal to, so the name of the set is your choice. Here I am writing the Fruits. You can write your choice. Whatever name you want to give, you can give that name. So that is called as the fruit. So the name of the set is called as the fruit. The fruit set contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 elements. That means one element is called an apple, another is a banana, another is the orange, another element is the 100, another element is the 200. All the elements should be kept within the flower bracket. That means when you are initializing a set, the elements of a set should be enclosed within a flower bracket. So like this, we can enclose between the flower bracket. The elements of a set no need to be same data type. Elements of a set no need to be same data type. So what I mean to say is the elements in a set may be a string type, or maybe a integer type, or maybe a floating type, or maybe a boolean type of variables. So any type of variables, it's a combination of different data types. No need to be a particular data type of element should be enclosed as a set. Okay. So in a set, the variable should be any type of data type, any data type. It will accept. So if you observe here, fruit set contains 5 elements. Out of 5 elements, banana, apple, and orange are the string data type, and 100 and 200 are the of a type of integer. Okay. So if you want to print the elements of your set, then you can write print fruits. Print fruits, then it will print the apple, 100, 200, banana, and orange. You can see I am giving an order of apple, banana, orange, 100 and 200, but it is printed as 100, sorry, apple, 100, 200, banana, and orange. It is unordered. So I think you are clear with how to represent a set. You are clear with how to represent a set or how to initialize a set, right? Okay. Next, so once again, we will repeat. So set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable. You can't change the elements of a set. Unindexed. So you can't access the elements based on the index value because there is no index for the set. And no duplicate members. And no duplicate members. Right? Sets are used to store the multiple items in a single variable. So sets are used to store the multiple items in a single variable. You can see that the multiple items like apple, banana, orange, 100 and 200, all the multiple items are stored in a single variable called fruits. That's the feature, one of the feature of the sets. Sets are written in a curly bracket. Sets are written in a curly bracket. Hope you understand. Sets are written in a curly bracket and the flower bracket. So this is how we initialize the sets using the Python. Next. So as I said earlier, no duplicate values will be accepted for the set. So you can't keep the duplicate values in a set. So you can see here, I am initializing a set with the name of fruits. I'm trying to initialize with the elements apple, banana, orange, 100 and 100, right? So you can see here I have a duplicate values 100 and 100, right? When I'm trying to print this set, then what are the elements now? Apple, banana, 100 and orange. You can see actually I gave the 200, 100 and 100 duplicate values are there, but it will take only one value. That will not allow, it will not accept the duplicate values. Okay, so sets will not accept the duplicate values. No duplicate values will exist in a set. This is the another feature of a set. And coming to the next one, so Boolean values. So true or false are called the Boolean values. It is also represented with the 1 and 0. So if you write true and 1, then set will try consider these values as a duplicate values because true is nothing but a 1, false nothing but a 0. If you want to keep true and 1 as an elements of a set, it will take only 1. Not both it will not take because it will not accept the duplicate values, and a true and 1 will be considered the duplicate values. Similarly, if you keep false and 0, if you keep false and the 0, then what happened? Again, it will not accept false and 0 both because false is nothing but a 0. 0 is nothing but a false in the Boolean function, Boolean values. That's why it will take only 1. So if you observe here, bool values, that is the name of your bool values, that is called name of your set. That contain the 4 values: true, 1, false, 0, true, 1, false, and 0. Okay. Print bool values, then what you are expecting? Actually, it contains the true, 1, false, 0. But when I'm printing this set, it shows only false and true. That 1 and 0 will not be taken because it will take, then it will be like a duplicate values. So true and 1 are duplicates, false and 0 are duplicates. That's why it will not take the 1 and 0, it will take only true and false. These are the two distinct values. Okay. So that's why I said that sets will not accept the duplicate values. And actually, there is one method or a function called len that will be used to know the length of the set or number of elements in a set. Length of the set or number of elements in a set, right? And you can see here. So I'm trying to print length of bool values. When we are initializing the bool values, it contains the true, 1, false, 0. By seeing, we thought that there are 4 elements. So length of the bool value set is a 4, but it's not a 4 because true and 1, both are the duplicate values taken as a only 1. False and 0 also duplicate values will take only 1. So total number of elements in a set are only 2. So you can see here the total number of elements are equal to 2. Because whatever the duplicate values are there, it will be ignored. It will consider only unique values. Maybe you have a doubt. That means one is a true, another is a 1. How it will be duplicate values? In programming language, true means 1, false means 0. So that is the duplicate values. Now moving to the next part. So set items can be of any data type. As I said earlier, set items can be of any data type, right? What's called, you can see here, set 1. You can see the set 1. So here you can see set 1. In set 1, it contains an apple, banana, and a tree. Your elements are the trees. And set 2, you can see 1, 5, 7, 9, 3. Your elements are the integers. And set 3, true, false, and false. Your elements are the Boolean values. So elements of a set are any type of the data type, any data type values. Hope you understand. It may be a string, it may be a number, it may be a Boolean values. So any type of elements you can consider as a elements of a set, any data types. So no need to be only string, no need to be only numbers, no need to be only Boolean values. Any values that can be considered. So this is that's what we are going to observe from this slide. And you can see here, set 3, it is a true, false, and false. When I'm trying to print set 3, it contains only false and true because even though there is a two false, our set will not accept the duplicate values so that it considers only one false. So it is a false and true. Hope it's clear, right? Next. Next, there is a two more comments for the sets. They are called as the type and constructor. So type and constructor. First, we will look into the type. So what is the type? So type will give the information about the type of collection. whether the collection is a list, whether the collection is a tuple, whether the collection is a set, whether the collection is a dictionary, which type of Python collection it is. So to know that one, we can use the type command. To know that one, we can use the type command. Right? Hope you understand what I mean to say. Right? So if you observe here, I am initializing a set with the name fruits. It contains the three elements like apple, banana, and cherry. When I am trying to print type of fruits, so what it will give? What is the type of the fruits collection? What are the type of the collection with the name fruits? So what is that collection type? We know that it is set. It is a set because it is enclosed within a flower bracket. So it is a set. So you can see the output that class is called as a set. Class is okay. So you can here same thing. So fruit and one more thing. Till now we discuss how we initialize, how we represent a set. So if you want to represent a set, we can represent a set with the name of the set equal to open the flower bracket and close the flower bracket, and within the bracket you can write the elements, and all the elements should be separated by comma. That's what we discussed till now. And there is another way of representation of a set also. There is another way of representation of set. So how we represent a set? By using a set constructor. So you can see here the second cell, fruit, that is the name of the set, equal to, I am using a constructor called set, S-E-T, set, open the bracket and close the bracket. So within that bracket, you can keep the, what are the elements you want to keep, you can keep those elements. You can keep those elements. Like that also, you can initialize. So you can initialize the fruit set like a flower brackets. Between the flower brackets, you can include the elements of a set. That's the one way of representation. Another way of representation is fruits equal to set of fruits, apple, banana, and cherry. Okay. So print fruits and print type of fruits. So print fruits means it will print the complete set, apple, banana, and cherry. When I'm writing the print type of fruits, it will print the what type of fruits collection is, whether it is a list, or it is a set, or it is a tuple, or a dictionary. And we know that it is a set type of collection, so that I'm writing the, we are getting the output as a class type of set. Writing the class type of set. Okay. So this is all about the set. Okay. And you can see this exercise. Which one of these is a set? Which one of these is a set? Or which one of these is representation of a set? You have the three options. So which one is the right answer? We know that every set is initialized using the flower bracket. And within the flower bracket, you have to keep all the elements of a set. And all the elements of a set should be separated by a comma. Should be separated by a comma. So if that is the case, then the right answer is your third one. So my set equal to apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. So this is your my set. Alright. Next. So next we will discuss about how we can access the elements. How we can access the elements from the set. How we can access the elements from the set. So as I said initially, sets are unindexed. That means you can't access the elements with index, unindexed. So how we access the elements? We can access the elements by using the iterative loops. You can see, we can't access the items in a set by referring to an index or a key. By referring an index or by referring a key, you can't access the elements of a set. Once set is created, you can't change its items. Once set is created, you can't change the elements of an item, but you can add new items. But you can add new items, but you can't change the existing items. In a set, you can add the new item, but you can't change the existing item. That we are going to remember. So coming to here, I am initializing a set with name fruits with a set constructor. and the set contains three fruit names, that is called apple, banana, and cherry. And you want to access all the elements of a fruit set. Now we can use the for loop. So for fruit is a variable. You can use any variable. You can use f, you can use x, you can use y, you can use I, whatever it may be. So for a fruit in which set you have these fruits are available. In what is the name of the set? So fruits, colon, and I'm trying to print it. So what I prefer? Fruit in fruits. So in the fruits, whatever the first element apple, that apple will be assigned to the fruit variable that will be printed. Next, it will be moved to the next element. There is a banana. Banana will be assigned to the fruit. That fruit will be printed. Next, it is moved to the cherry. Cherry will be assigned to the fruit and that will be printed. So now finally your output will be apple, banana, and cherry. Like that, you can access the elements of a. You can access the elements of set. Hope you understand how we can access the elements of a set, right? So next is checking the element in a set. So if you want to check whether the particular element exists in a set or not, so for that one, we can use a command called in if you want to check whether the element is in the set or not. Or there is another command called not in, not not space in. So that will tell you, that will give true if element is not in the set. If element is not in the set, then the not in command will result the true. If any element is in the set and you are using the not in command, then it will give the false. So you can see here, there is a set called fruits that's equal to set. And then set constructor, I initialized a fruit set. Okay. So set apple, banana, and a cherry. Apple, banana, and a cherry. Now I want to check whether the banana in fruit set or not. So print banana in fruits. What it will return? If banana in fruit set, it will return the true. If banana is not available in the fruit set, the first line will result in false. First will result in false. If you observe here, in the fruit set, banana is exist. So banana in fruit set is exist. So it gives a true. And next one is banana not in fruit. What I'm checking, banana not in fruits. Really it is not in fruits. If you observe in the fruits, you have a banana. I'm checking not in. Not in? No, it is in. So that it will give the false command. So by using the in or not in, you can check whether the particular element will exist in a set or not. Particular element will exist in a set or not. That will be right. Now coming to some small exercise, that is true or false, we are going to give the answer response. So you can access set items by referring to an index. By referring the index, you can access the items in a set. Is it true or false? As I said earlier, sets are unindexed. You can't access the elements based on the index. So the right answer is false. The right answer is false. As I said, set is a unchangeable, immutable. You can't change the elements of a set, but you can add new elements. But you can add new elements. I think it's clear. You can add the new elements. So if you observe here, I have initialized a set with the name of fruits, fruits, fruits. That's equal to apple, banana, cherry. So that is a set. Now, if you print the fruit set, then it will print the apple, banana, and cherry. Now, what I'm trying to do is I want to add the one more fruit name into that set. I want to add one more fruit name that is called orange into the set. And how we add the new element into the set? How we add the new element into the set? So, fruit dot add. Fruit dot add. You have to pass the what element you want to add. You have to pass that element. Here I am passing the orange, so that you have to add. Now print fruit. What happened? Apple, orange, banana, and cherry. Apple, orange, banana, and cherry. Right? Till now, we discussed about how we can add the new elements in a set collection, right? So next, we will move to um, addition of a element from another type of collection into the set. We will discuss. In the previous, we will discuss about the how we can add a particular element to a set that we will discuss, and now we will going to discuss about the how we can assign elements in another set into the some current set. We will discuss. So you can see here, this set is a name of the collection variable. It contains three elements like apple, banana, and cherry. And there's another set called tropical. So this contains pineapple, mango, and papaya. So there are three sets, two sets. Now my intention is I want to update the set with the name this set with elements in a tropical set, with elements in a tropical set. So then what I did, set what I want to update, dot update, and with which elements you want to add in this set, that is called as the tropical, that I pass it. Now I have the, you can see the new set. Previously this set contains apple, banana, and cherry. So after this update, then this set is updated as apple, banana, cherry, and the elements in the tropical set also added. You can see papaya, mango, and pineapple. So like that, you can add a new element into the set by using the dot add command, or you can add the multiple elements available in some other set into the current set by using dot update command. So like that, you can add the new elements from individually, or you can add the new elements from another set. And previously, we discussed about the updation of the set from a element from the another set. You no need to take only elements from the another set, but you also take the elements from the list, but also take the elements from the dictionary, and you can also take the elements from the tuple also, right? So in the previous slide, what we observed, that is, if we want to update the elements in a particular set, then I took a element, some other set elements, and I'm updating. You no need to take only elements from the another set. You can take the elements from the list, you can take the elements from the tuple, or you can take the elements from the dictionary, and you can update the elements in a particular set. Like that also you can do. So you can see in this slide, that is, so this set that's equal to apple, banana, and cherry. Now I have a one list that contains kiwi and orange elements. And I have one tuple that contains 2, 3 elements. And I have one dictionary that called name, Venkat, and school SRU. Now I am trying to update my set, that the set, with elements from the list, with elements from the tuple, with elements from the dictionary. So how I am writing this set, sorry. So this set dot update, this set dot update, you have to pass my list. You have to pass my list. Okay. Now, and this set dot update, you can pass the tuple also. Set dot update, you can pass the dictionary also. Then what happened? This set elements will be updated based on the elements in a list, based on the elements in a tuple, based on the elements in a dictionary. Once I print the set, then the set will be updated. How previously my set contains apple, banana, and cherry. Now you can see 2, 3. This is coming from the tuple. Kiwi and orange are coming from the list. And you have banana, cherry, and apple original values in the list. And you have the school and name from the dictionary. Like that, you can update the elements in a set based on the elements coming from the list, based on the elements coming from the tuple, and based on the elements coming from the dictionary. So like that, we can update the elements in a set. You can see small exercise. What is the correct syntax? for adding the items into a set. What method, what function we will use to add the elements into the set? So you can use dot add command, right? Dot add, and you have to pass the which element you want to add. You can add that element. So option is right option is the first option, dot add command. Now, till now we discussed about how we can add the elements into the Python set. Now we will discuss about how we can remove. So we can remove the elements from the set also. We can add the elements and we can remove the elements from the set also, right? So if you observe here, to remove an item in a set, we need to use a remove command or we can use the discard command. If the items to remove does not exist, then the remove command will raise an error. You can use the remove command or you can use the discard command to remove a particular element from the set. But the element what you mentioned, what you want to remove from the set, if it's not available and you're using the dot remove command, then it will throw an error. But if you use the discard command, it will not return anything. So if you observe here, this set contains apple, banana, and cherry elements. Now this set dot remove, this set dot remove. Now what we are going to remove? I want to remove the banana element from the set. So passing the banana. Now again, if I print this set, then what are the elements currently available? Only apple and cherry. There is no banana element because the banana element is already removed. So like that, we can remove the elements from a set. You can remove the elements from a set. And you can use the discard also. You can use the discard. Then again, go with this set. It contains apple, banana, and a cherry. And this set dot discard. So what we are going to discard from this list? I want to discard the banana element from the given set. Then if I print the set again, then what happened? You have the only apple and cherry. Banana is not visible because banana is discarded from the given. But only the difference from the remove and the discard is, in case of the remove command, if the element that you are going to remove is not available, then it will throw an error. But in case of the discard, the element which you are going to discard, which you are going to remove from the list is not from the set is not available, then the discard function will not give any error. I hope you understand, right? So if you use the remove command, the element which you are going to remove is not available in the set, then it will throw an error. If you use the discard command, the element which you are going to discard from the set is not available, but then your discard command will not throw any error. That is the major difference between the discard and remove. Now there is another command called pop. So this pop also used to remove the elements from the set. Elements from the set. So you can also use pop method to remove an item. You can also use pop method to remove an item. Okay. But this method will remove. So this method will remove random item. In case of the remove, we have to specify which item you want to remove. In case of the dot discard, you have to specify which element you want to discard. But in case of the pop, you no need to mention any particular element. It randomly remove one element from the set. Element from the okay. So element from the set. So you can observe here, this set is the apple, banana, and cherry. So x equal to this set dot pop, and what it will do? So what element will be removed from the set? What element will be pop up from the set? That will be assigned to the variable x. It can be run randomly. You don't have any control which element you want to remove. You don't have any control which element you want to remove. So then print x. Print this set, then you will see x value means apple. Apple is removed from the set. And once the apple is removed from the set, your set will contain only banana and cherry. It contains only banana and cherry. So what I mean to say is, if you are using the pop command, it will remove randomly one element from the set. It will remove randomly one element from the set. And if you use the clear command, if you are using the clear command, then what happens? The set contains apple, banana, and cherry. And if you're using the this set dot clear, then all the elements in the set will be clear. Then print this set. Then the only empty set is available. Why empty set is available? Because all the elements in this set is removed.